Hi guys, a very warm welcome to Body Pro Coach Nutrition. I am Maahek Nair and today I'm going to be doing an easy recipe for you. That's a Keto Hazelnut Mousse. Let's quickly go and see the recipe. Hershey's Cocoa Unsweetened, Cocoa Nibs, that's vanilla extract, Stevia powder, coconut cream, and lastly hazelnut. First in a blender we're going to add hazelnut. To that we're going to add coconut cream. So what I'm going to add is stevia powder. Next, cocoa powder. Next, vanilla extract. And we're going to blend all of the same. And our Keto Hazelnut Mousse is ready. We're going to pour it into a jar. And now we're going to top it up with some grated dark chocolate. You could also add some cocoa nibs. And lastly, a few hazelnut pieces. There we go. And we're going to refrigerate the same for about 2 to 3 hours till it becomes nice, thick and tasty. And our Keto Hazelnut Mousse is ready. It's simple, easy, delicious, really quick. It took about 2 minutes. It's loaded with fats, it's loaded with antioxidants. So try the festive season this time, a Keto Hazelnut Mousse. Thank you for watching our video. Request you to please subscribe our channel. Hit that bell button so that you get intimation of all our videos. We do videos on training, nutrition. We have Maahek's Core Pilates. That means everything you want to know about fitness, starting your journey from your alignment to your posture, everything on one channel. That's Body Pro Coach. Thank you so much. See you next time.